It is currently like 6:45 in the morning on Friday. Alora has her Christmas party for school, and I had to get fruit, and I'm gonna make either like the little Santa skewers or the grapes, berries, and strawberries, like Christmas tree in a shape of a Christmas tree. So I'm about to do that. I have like an hour until like I have to go because I have a hair appointment this morning. I'm off, Wesley's off, and Alora has like a lot of school stuff going on, so we're gonna divide and conquer today. I'm gonna take y'all along because I'm gonna try to do a day date as well with Wesley. But yeah, y'all, I couldn't find my keys this morning. I couldn't find my debit card. Like, I just all out of whack, and I just hate that Walmart doesn't do Apple Pay because, like, what the heck? So I had to stop by the ATM, get cash. I was like, this is just too much, but nonetheless, we persevere. This is the 7th day of Vlogmas, I believe, or 8th. I don't know. I've lost count. But anyway, what I do know is that we're halfway through. Yes, I'm so proud of myself for like continuing this. I feel like I always start something and don't finish it. So when it comes to content creating, like 12 days of this or 30 days of that. So we'll see. But yeah, y'all, be sure to stop what you're doing and subscribe so that you can be notified every time I drop a video. If y'all can't tell, I am not a morning person, so this is a lot for me to be taking y'all in the store and vlogging and yada yada yada. But yeah, let's go. Let's go.
That's all right. There's none.
Really?
Yeah.
Is there any grapes?
I'm not gonna be able to get to them. They're at the very, very bottom.
I hate Walmart. That's exactly why I hate Walmart. Target whenever. Y'all, she found the grapes. She found the green grapes. I'm gonna give y'all a backstory when we get in here. But yeah. This one might not ever be having nothing for real. I can't hear nothing he's saying because he's saying it in a high-pitched tone.
I'm not creative no more.
Wesley, hey, I be trying to defend you.
Oh, Laura, let me see.
Hey, you like this.
you want to start at the top? Directions. Don't have us in here.
Hey, it's not working.
What?
No, it's not ready yet.
Eating the candy. Or you're not gonna have none to put on there. Come in.
Wait, I can't open. If I can get it to work.
Everybody has the decorations.
Wesley, you're done. Why you keep looking at me?